We have a broadcast hub now, and phones can text in to join the list, and the administrator can enter a message and broadcast the list. But let's clean up some of the loose ends. One thing that's not quite right is when I want to join, I have to type in capital JOIN, and really most users, it shouldn't be that strict. Like I should be able to type in JOIN or lowercase, all lowercase letters, okay? And any of those should work. So let's fix that so it's case insensitive in terms of what can be texted in. And here's our comparison. We're comparing the text that gets sent in, message text, with uppercase JOIN, and that will only be true if it's exactly uppercase JOIN. Okay, so what we're going to use is a texting operation. And if you go to the text drawer, there's all kinds of stuff. Right? You can find the length of a text. You can join a couple texts together. You can build a text from multiple things. You can break a text up into parts and find stuff within it. Okay, what we're going to use is the block called upcase, and that thing just converts a text block into uppercase. And what we're going to do is when they text us, we're going to uppercase what they send us. Okay, so message text, we're going to upcase it. So no matter what, even if they text us lowercase JON, we're going to convert it to capital JON, and then that's what we'll compare to capital JON. So this should work such that no matter which they text us, it allows us to join. So right now, in our old system, this would not have worked for joining the list. Let's see if it works now. So if I click on send, the message comes, and indeed 5556 got added to the broadcast list. So just to make sure, let me type in capital JOIN, send it, and message got sent, received, and notice 556 was again added to the list. Okay, so we fixed the problem with lowercase JON or uppercase JON. They both work now.